Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the simple difference between the elements and compounds. As we all know that the atom is the smallest particle of a matter. So elements are made up of a same type of a atom or the single substance. We can also say as a pure substance, and compounds are made up of a two or more kind of a elements combined chemically to form the compounds. Elements are made up of a simple or the same substance or the pure substance. Compounds are made up of a two or more elements joined together or combined chemically. So here, as we all know that the teachers will be teaching, but sometimes kids understand better when they try to see the elements or the see the things. So for the simple demonstration we can use the kids like this. You can see here I have the some of the elements and which I am going to use to create the compounds. Here you all know that the C is a carbon, which is an example of element because the C is a single pure substance. But if the same C, if I am taking one C and O, do you all know that O is the oxygen which is present in the air, the gas which we breathe in. So now I am adding these two oxygens to the C which is a carbon, and when I add two oxygen, it is creating the compound. So CO2, which stands for the carbon dioxide, which is an example of a compound because it is a combination of the two or more elements. Similarly, in this kit we have the different letters. So we can ask the children to identify as many as elements and compounds they can create from the box which is provided. It's not necessary that you have to use the same model of the kit, but I'm just using some of the samples because I have the kids in the home. So my daughter used this to make the bracelets and the different patterns. So all of a sudden I thought, okay, it's not that science is that we have to fix the materials we need to use. You can use any materials. The end of the story is the teachers should make the kids understand the concept. So similarly, if I go to the another compound, see, can you all see this is the letter N, and I am adding the one more letter A, N, A, and C, L, NaCl, which stands for the sodium chloride, which is commonly very basic item we used in the ingredient section of our kitchen. That stands for salt, sodium chloride. So CO2 stands for carbon dioxide, which is a combination of the carbon and the oxygen element, and sodium chloride is a combination of the one sodium and one chlorine. So one thing we need to understand, then what is the difference between the molecules and the compounds? When we talk about the molecules also, the two or more atoms combine together to form the molecules. So one fact I want to stress over here is all molecules are not compounds, but all compounds are molecules. Am I clear? All molecules are not compounds, but all compounds are molecules. Little tricky. Read it again, listen it again, practice again. Whatever the type of the kids you have, try to make as many as elements and compounds. So elements are the pure substances, compounds are the mixture or the combination of the two or more type of elements. Hope you got what is compound, what is element. See you in the next class. Bye bye.